Hi, I'm Damon Sorrell with Academy Mortgage. In the home buying process, credit is vital to someone getting approved for a home loan. And we have to partner up with good partners who can help people with credit education, and a plan to get their scores where they need to be. I partnered up with Monty Hawkins with Fig Restoration back in 2018, and since then my volume has increased.
Fig Restoration is my credit restoration company of choice. Fig Restoration helped me to increase my credit score more than 150 points in just 6 months.
Fig Restoration has been that team by my side whom I can count on to help clients reach their homeownership goals. Anytime a client has challenges with their credit, Fig Restoration is the company whom I can count on to take care of those clients, to restore their credit, and have them on their way to homeownership.
If you have not tried Fig Restoration, I urge you today to make Fig Restoration your choice, because it's so much more than business. It's absolutely personal.